Savannas are unique biomes. They are found in 4 different continents: Africa, Australia, Asia, and South America, and are always concentrated around the equator in tropical regions, between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Thus, they are often called tropical grasslands.
Savannas are transition biomes. They are usually situated between tropical rainforests and deserts. They signify a decrease in rain, but not a total absence of it. They have many species of grasses and forbs, but trees are less prominent because there is less rain. Trees are scattered, so a canopy never forms, so grasses prosper with ample sunlight.
In terms of precipitation, savannas have a wet and dry season, just like tropical rainforests do, just far more pronounced. Soil can be basalt-based, clay-like and more fertile, or it can be granite-based, so scabby and less fertile. If areas receive sudden and violent rainfalls, many nutrients in the soil can be wiped out because of erosion.
Savannas maintain warm temperatures year-round, and wind is a minor factor as the average wind speed is less than 5 miles per hour. As we mentioned before, there are 2 very distinct wet and dry seasons. The dry season occurs during the winter, where as little as 4 inches of rain will fall, and nearly no rain between December and February. The wet season occurs during the summer, where there is significantly more rain than the winter, averaging about 15 to 25 inches. Also, it is the most hot and humid time of the year. The hot, humid air rises off the ground and collides with the cooler air to turn into rain. In many savannas, a thin layer of humus covers the ground, which consists of decaying plant and animal matter. This provides existing vegetation with nutrients to grow. Although savannas are not used for agriculture and its soil conditions vary depending on the location, it is still capable of providing grazing lands for primary consumers.
In the African savanna, megafauna are very numerous. A diverse food web is present, with many different paths upward for energy. Consumers are largely adapted to graze on grasses and eat leaves out of tall trees, like giraffes. Predators are adapted to pursue first-level consumers at high speeds on the open grasslands, which are very numerous on savannas. Prey animals are designed to be fast themselves, like gazelles. Pack hunting is also practiced by predators on the savanna. Scavengers, decomposers, and detritivores also play important roles on the savanna. Termites, bacteria, and fungi play vital roles in breaking down dead plant and animal matter. Without them, the soil would be far less capable of supporting all the grass that covers savannas because of lacking nutrients. Scavengers like vultures, jackals, and hyenas have adapted to live off taking scraps from the conclusions of megafauna hunts.
Savannas are important biomes, providing a buffer between forests and deserts. Savannas cover nearly 60% of Africa's landmass and house a large portion of the continent's biodiversity. Savannas are similarly important on other continents where they are found. Interestingly, due to climate change, it is believed that savannas are expanding at not only the expense of forests, but also deserts, with high temperatures causing air to be more humid and in turn cause more rainfall.
As savannas expand, they will only become a more important part of our biosphere. Thank you for listening to our spiel on savannas.